Hello everybody, so today I will talk about permutation. So now I will show you the technique about n be 2. We can write about n factorial over n minus 2 factorial equals to 72. About n minus 2 factorial and n factorial, we can write about this one, and that should be about n minus 2 factorial multiplied with n minus 1 and n divide n minus 2 factorial equals to 72. So this one we simplify and we got about n multiplied with n minus 1 equal to 72. So we got about n squared minus n minus 72 equals to number 0 in here. So we have two solutions. You got about n equal to 9 and n equal to negative number 8. So we need to select about positive number. So we need to choose this one. Now let's go to the next one. And before you got about n factorial over n minus 4 factorial equals to 42 multiplied with n factorial over n minus 2 factorial. So we do the same technique. So we put about n minus 4 factorial multiplied with n minus 3, n minus 2, n minus 1, n over n minus 4 factorial and we have 42 multiplied with n minus 2 factorial n minus 1 and divide to n minus 2 factorial. So we have n minus 4 factorial and n minus 4 factorial. We simplify. Similar for this one. So we got about n minus 1 and n they have in the both sides, but we cannot allow n equal to number 0 in here. We cannot allow n equal to number 1 and n equal to number 0, because if we put number 1 and number 0 in here, you got about a negative factorial. So we need to simplify this one. And now we just have n minus 3 multiplied with n minus 2 so you got about n squared minus 5n plus 6 equals to number 42. Number 6 minus 42, you got about negative 36. You got about n equals to number 9 and n equals to negative number 4. So we choose this one. That's it the end. Thank you for watching.